let's take a quick look at how you will do your review for this lesson. Okay, so it's a set of Google Slides, and you will be prompted to make a copy when you are in our Google site for this. I just want to walk you through how you might answer some of these questions. Okay, so this one wants you to drag each set of factors to make its matching to its matching original equation. Okay, so you're just going to grab these. Oops. We're just going to grab these and drag them to where they go. Okay, so that's how you'll do it. You'll just move those equations to where they go. And you'll have your own set of documents, so don't worry about changing the one that I've got. Okay, and then this one here, same deal, okay? So you're going to type your answer, you just click right in there. Make sure you have your cursor where it needs to be, and then you can type your answer. Okay, same thing here if you want to copy these, okay? Copy, paste them up there. Okay, so you just go through and you'll answer these questions. You just fill in each little box. It's already in there, so you can type your numbers. Okay, everything is all set up for you. The same thing goes for your pre-lesson for 4.2. Same idea, you've got a set of Google Slides and you'll need to answer some questions there and type an answer into a box. Okay, and then this last slide here, you just drag this circle to how you're feeling. Okay, and then make sure you're uploading the review to Schoology or sharing it with me. Okay, but that's it for this one.